Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, my dear kids. Let's learn some colors. Plum color, yellow color, red orange color, sky blue color, lavender color, maroon color, light green color. Let's learn the numbers 1 to 10. Light green color 1, maroon color 2, lavender color 3, sky blue color 4, red orange color 5, yellow color 6, plum color 7, light green color 8, maroon color 9, lavender color 10. Let's learn English alphabet. A for alligator. B for basket. C for car. D for drum. E for egg. F for fruit. G for grapes. H for helicopter. I for insect. J for jackfruit. K for key. L for lemon. M for mouse. N for net. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. S for snake. T for tortoise. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Lavender color, rose pink color, brown color, orange color, sky blue color, mint green color. Let's write the number 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's write the lowercase letters. A for art. B for boy. C for cake. D for doctor. E for elbow. F for floor. G for grass. H for hand. I for ink. J for juice. K for knife. L for ladder. M for mushroom. N for nose. O for ocean. P for panda. Q for queen. R for river. S for skit. T for train. U for upstairs. V for volcano. W for watch. X for xylograph. Y for yacht. Z for zipper. Subscribe.